My name is Snowbird Rubio. I'm a computer science major, and this is my breakthrough at Berry. Funded by the National Science Foundation, I'll be studying AI-enabled decision analytics to advance air taxi and drone operations in densely populated areas. The internship will be with the Indian Institute of Technology in Chennai, and I'll be with them for about 10 weeks during the summer. My first reaction, I was so excited just because I had no opportunity to ever leave the country in the US, just being able to go to a whole other country. I would say I'm mainly excited about gaining new knowledge and absorbing this knowledge from other professionals who are already within the field. Wonder what I'll be learning? I'll be working on establishing air taxi and drone hubs in urban areas using unsupervised machine learning methods. I would also be doing allocation of AAM vehicles to customers using simulation-based optimization models, and I'll be environmentally aware of hybrid truck drone robot technology that will work on last mile delivery operations. I would like to give a big thanks to Dr. Jimenez for not only helping me complete recommendation for this internship, but also being a great mentor.